Hi, my friends. Welcome back to AI Chat Channel, where we unravel the latest and greatest in the world of technology and artificial intelligence. Today, we have a chat-worthy update, the ChatGPT Custom Instructions Update. Yes, you heard it right. Grab your popcorn because we're diving deeply into the exciting world of ChatGPT's latest enhancements. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty details, make sure you've hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on the updates in the tech universe. All right, let's get started. First of all, what exactly is the ChatGPT Custom Instructions Update? Well, it's like giving ChatGPT a personal makeover designed just for you. Custom instructions allow you to guide ChatGPT to generate responses that match your specific needs and preferences. It's like having your own virtual assistant at hand, which saves you lots of time and money. Okay, let me illustrate this with a mind-blowing example. Imagine you're planning a holiday. Oh, it's exciting and stressful too. With the cutting-edge capabilities of ChatGPT, you can now use ChatGPT's custom instructions to get tailored suggestions and advice for your personal finance. For instance, you can ask ChatGPT something like, "What are some budget-friendly holiday destinations for a family of 4?" Or, "Give me tips on saving money while spending on the holidays." AI can generate a number of potential suggestions to help plan travel arrangements. I'm going to give a few examples of how to set up the prompt. 1. Personal finance. The general prompt looks like, "I need to set up a budget that will help me reach my financial goals within time frame." This prompt is an effective way to create a budget that will help you reach your financial goals in a timely manner. To use this prompt, fill in the variable with the relevant information. Time frame. Specify the amount of time that you need to reach your financial goals, such as within 1 year or 5 years. For example, a completed prompt looks like, "I need to set up a budget that will help me reach my financial goals within 1 year." Using this prompt ensures that you create a budget that is realistic and achievable within the planned time frame. This will help you stay on track and reach your financial goals in an organized and efficient manner. It can be hassles typing in the same stuff at the start of every chatbot conversation. ChatGPT recently added a setting called Custom Instructions that let you add in a good deal of information that every conversation will then use as if it was included in your instructions. Custom instructions are a type of ChatGPT that has been customized for a specific use case. The more stuff you put in the box about yourself, the better ChatGPT can draw on your own background as it gives answers. The prompt I set up above is the simple example of custom instructions. If you want to manage your finance but aren't a fan of spending hours or days planning every detail of your money, ChatGPT could simplify things greatly. The tool is easy to use, takes seconds to get you the answers you need, and has a friendly interface. 2. Debt reduction. The general prompt looks like, "I'm looking for strategies and tips to reduce my debt and improve my credit score over the short term." This prompt helps individuals develop strategies to reduce their debt and improve their credit score over the short term. To use this prompt with custom instruction, fill in the relevant variables. Reduce debt, improve credit score, time frame. For example, a completed prompt could look like, "I'm looking for strategies and tips to reduce my debts by creating a budget and consolidating debts, and improve my credit score within 2 years by paying bills on time and monitoring my credit report for errors." Using this prompt allows you to create an effective plan of action that will help you reduce debt and improve your credit score in a timely manner. To make the prompt better, you may give ChatGPT a role. You're a journalist, you're a Spanish teacher, you're an expert copywriter. Define the goal. Write an essay. Write a blog post. Summarize this paragraph. Set restrictions. Write using basic English, adopt a formal tone, and format the result as you want. But that's not all. Let's take it up a notch. Want to engage in a captivating holiday-themed conversation with ChatGPT? No problem. You can now instruct ChatGPT to generate dialogues about holiday traditions, gift ideas, or even recommendations for the best festive recipes. It's like having a chat buddy who's as excited about the holidays as you are. Now, let's talk about the benefits of this ChatGPT custom instructions update. It's not just about personalization, it's about efficiency and accuracy. By fine-tuning ChatGPT's responses, you're ensuring that the answer you receive is precisely what you're looking for. No more sifting through irrelevant details. ChatGPT gets straight to the point, customized just for you. Now that you've seen the magic in action, let's summarize some tips and tricks to make the most out of this update. 1. Be specific. The more specific you are, the better answer you get. 2. Use roles. You can set roles like blogger, writer, or analyst to get specialized assistance. If you've set multiple roles but didn't get the expected output, make sure you're specifying the role in your prompt. 3. Set verbosity levels. Use levels from 0 to 5 to control the detail in responses. 4. Check character limit. Keep in mind the 1,500 character limit when entering your instructions. 5. Consider limitations. ChatGPT is a text-based model and can't understand highly specialized or technical jargon without context. Make sure to provide enough support information in the box of custom instructions. ChatGPT custom instructions can save you hours of time if you write good prompts. With ChatGPT, you can effortlessly transform your ideas into polished, professional scripts that leave a lasting impact on your audience. Here are insanely useful ChatGPT prompts to finish hours of work in seconds. We did lots of research and spent many hours on making this video. Before we wrap up this roller coaster of excitement, I want to hear from you. How do you plan on using ChatGPT's custom instructions? Share your ideas, thoughts, and questions in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos like this one. By liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing, you'll help us grow and continue delivering valuable content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.